Hello, and welcome to the last arpeggio exercise of the basic section. This is F. We've done 11 arpeggios, and now we're on F, which is the last arpeggio. And arpeggio is the last section of the basic section for the exercises. So we're done scales, we're done with chords, and we're almost done with arpeggios after this video. So let's begin. We're going to play the F major arpeggio and the F minor arpeggio in this video. So let's begin playing F. We already know the F chord pretty well. We played it in the basic chords. And now what we're going to do is play them one by one. So we're going to add the last F. So it's an octave, 4 notes. And we're going to play it with our first finger. It's going to be F, A, second finger. Third finger is going to be C. And then fifth finger is going to be F. Then we're going to move on to A. So practice this until you know it pretty good. Then we're going to move up to A, C, fourth finger is going to be on F, A, then we're going to move on to C, F, A, C, and last one's going to be F, A, C, F. That's going up, now let's go down. F, C, A, F, C, A, F, C, and then A, F, C, A, lastly F, C, A, F. So practice fingerings are the same as all the other arpeggios. We're going to go up, then A, C, and F. And now down, F, C, A, and F. So practice right hand until you know it pretty good. You could pause the video or you could do it after the video. I don't know how you actually exercise, but make sure you practice right hand until you know it pretty good. And then you move on to the left hand. So left hand, same notes, same fingerings as all the rest of the arpeggios. So we're going to start with F. Then we're going to go to A. Then we're going to go to C. And now to F again. Let's go down. F, C, A, and F. Once your left hand knows its place, move on to both hands playing at the same time. So F, let's play it down here. Fifth finger, first finger on F like always. Move on to F, A, C, F. Then we're going to go on A. Then we're going to go to C. Then we're going to go to F. And now let's go down. F, C, A, F. There we go. If you could play both hands an octave of F and you're pretty comfortable, now we could go from down and up 4 octaves, going 25 times skipping and 25 times straight. Now we play 25 times skipping. Now let's go 25 times straight. Excellent. We just did the F major arpeggio. Now we're going to go to the minor. So we move the third step half down, it's going to make F minor chord. We already know the F minor and major chords according to the basic chord sections. So there's the minor, we add this F, so we make it a full minor, and we play one note at a time. So the new note is going to be A flat. So we go F, A flat, C, F, A flat, C, F, A flat, C, F, A flat, C, and then F, A flat, C, F. And let's go down, F, C, A flat, 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 F. Excellent. Practice this with your right hand until it feels comfortable. Now we move on to the left hand. We start with F, A flat, C, F, A flat, and C, and now F. Now let's move down. Practice your left hand until you actually feel it pretty good. Then you can put it for both. Move on to A flat, to C, to F, and we go down. F, C, A flat, and F. Good. Practice one octave until you know where the notes are and everything. And now we're going to go bottom to top, down and up and down. 25 times skipping and then 25 times not skipping for F minor. That was 25 times skipping. Now let's go 25 times straight. Excellent. That was the F major and the F minor basic arpeggios. Now we are complete with the scales, basic chords, and basic arpeggios. Now we can move on to the next section of basic improvise. This is where we actually start using the exercises that we learned in all of the basic sections, and we could use it to actually build and play songs. Let's move on to the next lecture.